parang alanganin. And many people passed by, pero parang hindi siya tinulungan. Until there was this young man who passed by in his motorcycle na talagang tinulungan siya. So very hesitant itong babaeng ito kasi baka kung anong mangyari sa kanya, anong gagawin sa kanya ng lalaki. But she decided to give in to the help of the man. So talagang tinulungan siya and the man was really dirty sapagkat yon ang ginawa niya, pinalitan yung tire niya. At akala niya ay sisingilin siya ng lalaki, but to her surprise, talagang hindi humingi yung lalaki. At sabi sa kanya, all you have to do, sabi niya, when somebody needed help, all you have to do is remember me, that I helped you. My name is Brian Anderson. No? So talagang nagulat yung babae. Sabi niya, akala niya hindi siya talaga, no? Talagang the man would take advantage of her, na talaga dahil may pera nga siya, BMW yung sasakyan niya eh. So sabi sa kanya, so pass it on, don't repay kindness. So hindi niya po talagang, palagi niyang, she would think and remember the name Brian Anderson. So umalis si Brian, at tapos she went on her way. And on the way to the friend's house, talagang nagutom siya, and dumaan siya sa isang snack bar, sa isang restaurant. And habang kumakain po siya doon, may nakita siyang isang waitress, yung nag-serve sa kanyang waitress ay, parang pregnant siya, no? Malapit na po siya talagang manganak. And there, the woman remembered Brian Anderson. At sabi niya, oh, it's my opportunity now to help this woman. So pagkatapos po siya kumain, may iniwan siyang pera. Ang tip niya po, at pagkatapos may sinulat siya sa table napkin at sinabi nung nabasa nung babae, sabi sa kanya, a man helped me on the way here. And what he wanted was that I will not repay him but pass kindness. And I believe you are in need. You are pregnant and I think you needed the money. So nagulat yung waitress dahil ang iniwan sa kanya is $500. So talagang it made her day until evening. Nang umuwi po siya, talagang sabi niya, oh, what an angel, yung babaeng iyon, na talagang tinulungan niya ako at alam na alam niyang kailangan kong perang ito. So, nung pumasok po siya sa kwarto niya, ay tulog na yung asawa niya. Sabi niya, bukas ko na lang ikikwento sa kanya yung nangyari. So, she kissed her husband goodbye and told her husband, good night, Brian Anderson. My dear friend,